touch the spindle. Touch it, I say.
We chose Christiania as a woodland, where we quickly discovered the hawthorn. It was planted to protect against attacks from Sweden and is still a dominating species there today, attracting a wide variety of fauna to the area, which results in a rich flora. The hawthorn is a thorny tall bush or a small tree which blooms with red or black berries that are rich in vitamins and potassium. The berries, leaves, and flowers is an important source of nutrition for hedgehogs, squirrels, birds, insects, beetles, butterflies, and bees. The hawthorn is sturdy and can live in most soils and tolerates salt water. With dense and thorny branches, it can survive harsh weather conditions and the berries last long into winter. The bushy tree also provides shelter from these harsh conditions for the same small animals and insects. The hawthorn is described as the nurse for the oak tree, which refers to the important role that the hawthorn plays in the ecosystem, especially when it comes to protecting and supporting young oak trees and other tree species. It can therefore be used in woodlands, where trees are cultivated for timber production by planting hawthorn edges to protect young trees from deer and other animals. The sharp thorns and dense growth serve as a physical barrier that discourage the animals from crossing the hedge. Hawthorns are usually planted along the edges of an area. They can also be planted in clusters or groups scattered throughout the tree plantation. This creates protective zones where young trees can thrive, shielded from grazing animals, and they are hubs for bees, insects, and birds, which is important for a natural ecosystem. There are several natural forests and nature reserves in Denmark, where hawthorns can be used to safeguard and preserve ecosystems.